Marantz Model M1 wireless streaming amp. Compact powerhouse with studio-grade sound. Frustrated with bulky audio setups that dominate your desk and deliver underwhelming sound? Tired of struggling with complicated amplifiers, poor connectivity, or inconsistent streaming that kills your listening vibe? The Marantz Model M1 solves it all, offering pristine sound, effortless streaming, and versatile placement in a sleek, compact design, finally freeing your space and focus while delivering stunning audio clarity. Imagine missing a favorite track because your amplifier froze, or feeling the disappointment of distorted highs and muddy lows during a movie night. Endless setup frustrations, cluttered desks, and unreliable streaming add stress and interrupt your flow. You deserve a compact, versatile amp that effortlessly delivers clean, warm sound across all your favorite music and movie content without compromise. Enter the Marantz Model M1 wireless streaming amplifier, a compact yet mighty solution for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. With 100 watt per channel, a subwoofer output, and advanced MMDF digital filtering, it delivers room-filling, distortion-free sound with Marantz's signature warm, detailed tone. HEOS built-in allows seamless multi-room streaming from Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, and more, while Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirPlay 2, HDMI ARC, Optical, Analog, and USB-A provide unmatched connectivity. One home theater enthusiast shared how the M1 turned a small office into a cinematic experience, handling movies and music effortlessly. Its compact 12.6 by 3.9 by 10.4-inch footprint fits shelves or desks, while voice control via Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri adds modern convenience. Powerful, elegant, and versatile, the M1 transforms your music experience without overwhelming your space. Why do audiophiles and reviewers rave about the Model M1? Experts highlight its balanced performance. HEOS integration and power output rival separates costing twice as much. High-end audio review. Users love its effortless setup and streaming. Replaced my bulky amp. HEOS works flawlessly. Sound exceeds my old 60 pounds amplifier. Audiophile. Whether driving bookshelf speakers, feeding a subwoofer, or streaming high-res Qobuz playlists, the M1 delivers precise highs, warm mids, and controlled bass. HDMI ARC transforms your TV experience, while the compact chassis fits any desktop, shelf, or media console. Multi-room streaming lets music flow throughout the home, and advanced connectivity ensures every device plugs in seamlessly. Curious why it's considered a smart audiophile upgrade? From office listening to full home theater setups, the Model M1 delivers studio-grade sound, intuitive operation, and Marantz's legendary tonality, showing that compact doesn't mean compromised performance. A soft CTA invites viewers to explore the full capabilities of this elegant, high-performance amplifier. Don't settle for bulky amps or mediocre streaming. Upgrade to the Marantz Model M1 wireless streaming amplifier today. Join audiophiles, home theater enthusiasts, and music lovers already experiencing pristine 100 watt per channel sound, HEOS multi-room streaming, and versatile connectivity. Limited stock available. Secure yours now. Transform your listening spaces and enjoy studio-quality audio at home. Act fast. Embrace the perfect balance of compact design and powerful performance, and rediscover your favorite music and movies like never before.